Hello friends, welcome back to our channel where we provide you with valuable knowledge and information on various topics. Today we delve into the fascinating world of stock market and show you how to make money through smart investing. Whether you are new to investing or have some experience, this video will provide you with essential steps to help you achieve financial success. So let's get started. Step 1. Research. The first step towards making money in stock market is to conduct thorough research. This includes understanding different investment options, studying financial reports of companies you are interested in, and staying up to date with market trends. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decision you can make. Step 2. Set clear goals. Setting clear financial goals is essential in any investment venture. Determine how much money you want to earn, your time frame for achieving those goals, and the level of risk you are comfortable with. Having a clear roadmap will guide your decisions and keep you focused. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio is crucial to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, separate your investment across different sectors, industries, and even geographical regions. This way, if one investment performs poorly, other may balance it out, reducing potential losses. Step 4. Understand risk management. Risk management is an integral part of successful investing. Always assess the risk associated with an investment before allocating your funds. Consider factors like company stability, market conditions, and historical performance. Remember, higher risk investment may yield greater returns, but they also come with increased chances of losses. Step 5. Patience and long-term thinking. The stock market can be volatile with price fluctuating daily. It's crucial to maintain a long-term perspective and not get swayed by short-term fluctuations. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Patience is a virtue when it's come to investing. Step 6. Continuous learning. The stock market is dynamic and there's always something new to learn. Stay updated with current financial news, read books, follow expert advice, and consider taking some courses on investing. Continuous learning will help you improve your investment skills and stay ahead of market trends. Step 7. Regularly review your portfolio. Regularly reviewing and reassessing your investment portfolio is essential. Monitor the performance of your investment, analyze any changes in company fundamentals, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This proactive approach will help you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. You have a step-by-step guide on how to make money in stock market. Remember, investing is a journey and it requires patience, knowledge, and discipline. Always consider your financial goals, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends. By following these steps, you will be on the right path toward financial success. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also let us know in the comments if you have any other investment related topics you would like us to cover. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.